So what is up guys, welcome to HDD Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, you saw today's video's title and that says iPhone SE2 is coming very soon. So exactly, can March be very soon? So in today's video, I'm going to be discussing that why everybody thinks it's going to be coming 5 months after, but in reality, the 5 month span is very less for this iPhone. So today's video is going to be very interesting. If you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the obvious question you might have, March, okay, 2020's March, it's a long way ahead. Still Apple has not started its production, and how can I say it's coming very soon, right? Well, let me tell you first thing. According to analyst Minchico, Apple is predicting to ship around 20 million iPhone SE2 units next year, and supposedly because of the demand, they might sell 30 million units even, and that's incredible. Okay, Apple's flagship sells in this much quantity, and the latest iPhone 11 has sold in 12 million units have been sold, and Apple is planning for 20 to 30 million units to be sold next year. So definitely there is a high demand. And you might say why so early Apple is opting for this iPhone SE2, and the reason is just now before 1 month Apple launched the iPhone 11 series with the iPhone XR price getting decreased. So many people are now purchasing iPhone XR because its price has been dropped, and not just that, the discontinued iPhone 10 and the iPhone XS. Still Apple, people are buying those iPhones because they really feel that there is still a lot of big potential with those iPhones. So people are opting for the flagship devices by Apple, and still in this whole long run, people who are using the iPhone 4, 4S, 5, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, 6S, all of these iPhones the people are using, they want an upgrade, but they don't want to spend such a great amount. And also now people are buying, Apple sales are increasing, but in the month of March, Apple sales will go ridiculously down, comparing to the current scenario. So it's pretty obvious that if Apple will hold its keynote or introduce this iPhone in the month of March, they will again get into the profit. Okay, as of for the company, they are currently in profit. If Apple would have introduced the iPhone SE2 with the iPhone 11 series, let me tell you, the greatest selling iPhone would have been the iPhone SE2, and all the phones would have been neglected. And Apple don't want it to happen because they focus a lot behind their flagship devices. So they want it to sell in more quantity. But for the iPhone SE2, we all know that its full production is going to be starting in the month of January, and it's going to be introduced or launched in the Worldwide Developers Conference in March. So you might say why I'm saying it's very soon, and that's only because according to company's perspective, this is a very soon, a quarter one of 2020. Okay, March means the quarter one, and for a company, quarter one is the early stage for a year. Okay, for the iPhone SE2, they might be developing it from March of 2019. So 1 year would have been past. Apple is designing prototypes of the iPhone SE2, and hence now we are seeing the confirmed results. So in today's video, I just wanted to convey to you that the 5 month span might be a big to you, but according to for a company, it's a very small span. And let me tell you, this months will easily roll up, and we will definitely see an iPhone SE2 very soon. And guys, I too am excited to buy it because I'm using an iPhone SE and I really want to have an upgrade. And just like me, there are hundreds of people who are still planning to go for the iPhone XR. Should we buy the iPhone 10? And most likely people are even opting for the iPhone 8. So guys, these people will get a definite update in next year. Let's hope for the best, and hope you have liked today's video. And also thanks a lot for 100k views on our channel. That means a lot to me. And again, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,